As a creative person, my thoughts could be rather abstract, even to me. I also find myself working across several forms of creative expression, juggling several roles. I struggled with this for many years, and I wondered if I had a peculiar problem, until I met a wise man who gave me some advice. "There's nothing wrong with you," he told me. "The problem is that you're just one person and you're trying to do so many things at the same time. You need to change your approach and focus on them one at a time, creating systems that will allow them work, even in your absence. Only then will you be free to do other things with your life." As profound as this statement was, walking the talk was a different kettle of fish altogether. Much later, I heard of the SaLT training, and it sounded like this could help me towards walking the talk. I then started attending SaLT classes, and within a few months, there was a rapid change in the way I did things, owing to the fact that I was learning to bond and synergize better with my team members to achieve better results. I would say that the main change I experienced was a paradigm shift in how I saw my team members. I realized that everyone was useful in some special way, and it was my responsibility as their leader to find that uniqueness. Where I would easily have gotten frustrated that a lot of my team members, for instance, were running with their own individual ideas instead of following the vision of the organization, I realized that once our values were properly synchronized, it was easy to make them take responsibility and achieve better results. I was also able to do less micromanaging and thus had more time to focus on some priority areas of the organization, thereby increasing my personal productivity. I was also able to better manage my photography business by empowering key staff to handle bigger projects on their own. SaLT is a training like no other. Trust me, I've attended quite a number of classes. It's not just talk, but sharing tangible ideas you can practicalize, even right there in the class. It's the training to participate in for those who want to be at the cutting edge of leadership in their organizations, or even run their own businesses.
We are happy to receive your inquiries about SaLT. For more information, please send an email to gigtime.slt@gmail.com or take a screenshot of other options following this announcement. Thank you.